Word up, man. We out here, man. We in New Iberia, Louisiana. We just made it. Actually headed to the hotel, you know what I'm saying? Boy, Baby Savage, I got the show at Club Bed tomorrow. Friday, I got the show at the Big Easy in Arkansas and at, I forgot the name of the club in Houston. Anyway, Saturday, the day show at Big D's Barbecue and the after party at Coco Palace. Sunday, we got Bourbon Creek and St. Marksville. You understand what I'm saying? We making it happen, man. Finna do some major shit. Got CEO driving, of course. You know what I'm saying? Fat boy done finally woke his fat ass up from snoring. Y'all remember him snoring earlier, huh?
No, I was just sick, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Your boy Lucky still up in this bitch, wired up, ready to get it.
Lucky wired up. Got the homies back there.
Look at him, look at him.
We deep on this bitch. Look at Elf the minutes. Let's get his ass right to sleep.
Look at that nigga sleeping.
Oh, we got something for YouTube for his motherfucking ass. Knocked out, been smoking weed and shit.
That's that money ring.
Hey, Sam.
Hello?
You got your itching cream?
Hello?
Say, we need to put something on that boy.
Yeah, you need that bitch, huh? My feet be itching like a motherfucker. I know what you need it for, though.